Make yourself that priority, that I am only there for people who genuinely love me, whose priority I am. So simple thing is, if somebody is not good for me, detachment. Bye bye. Bye bye. You have to get out of my life. The only thing matters to me is my mental peace, my mental uh, satisfaction. And if you are not good for my mind, okay, you get out of my life. Detachment. Okay, done. Do these two things, do these two relationship, and at the end you will not be alone. Believe me, whatever is written for you will come to you, will like from the most unexpected way, from the most unpredictable way, but it will come to you because it is written for you. So whatever is for you is already there for you, so you don't need to chase everybody. You are here to attract, you are not here to chase. So stop chasing people, stop chasing things. If they want to go out of your life, let them go. If they are disrespecting you, let them go. If they are not loving you enough, let them go. If they are draining your mental energy, if they are draining your energy, they are toxic for you, let them go. Let them go and sit with yourself, love yourself, and like make yourself feel good and enough.